Here we have a problem on proportion. Let's read the question. Find the mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square. There are two terms, 12x square and 27y square. We have to find the mean proportional between these two terms. Okay, first let us understand how to find mean proportional between the given two terms. Let us assume A, B and C are the three terms in proportion. So B is the mean proportional between A and C. So to know the mean proportional B, what we need to do is we have to multiply the first term and the third term. Then we have to take square root for this product. So this is how we have to find the mean proportional between any two terms. So let's do the same thing in our problem. So to find the mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square, first we have to multiply 12x square and 27y square. Then we have to take square root for the product. Okay, let's simplify this square root. So I decompose each term. So to simplify the square root, so 12 can be written as 2 times 3, and x square can be written as x times x, and 27 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3, and y square can be written as y times y. Okay, for every two same terms inside the square root, we can take one term out of the square root. So for these two terms, 1, 2 can be taken out, and for these two 3's we can take 1, 3 out of the square root, and for these two 3's 1, 3 can be taken out of the square root. For these two x's we can take 1 x out of the square root, and for these two y's we can take 1 y out of the square root. So there is nothing inside the square root. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 xy is the mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square.